Very slippery out here right now. In fact, as Donna and Stan were saying, we're getting reports of a lot of accidents in Baltimore City. In fact, Department of Transportation officials announced that they are going to activate the Emergency Operations Center at midnight tonight to get ready for the morning commute. They want everybody to get prepared because this is just a small preview of what's headed our way.
Well, this had all ice melt. This was all packed with ice melt. They're all gone.
It's a good problem to have, especially since salt and snow shovel sales have been almost non-existent at 8 Hardware on York Road so far this winter.
You got it.
Wednesday, customers lined up with a storm essentials list and a plan.
I got some ice melt, so and throw that down, I guess, before it starts snowing, and then from there try and shovel kind of as it snows, try to get a little ahead of it. So my wife asked me to price out snow blowers, so I checked with that too.
I'm going to hire somebody to shovel. My back hurts.
So far, the models are showing the potential for a monstrous storm. Governor Hogan said that he's been meeting with state transportation officials and the Maryland Emergency Management Agency throughout the week.
We've got a lot of salt on hand because we have had a very mild winter so far. All the guys are chomping at the bit, ready to go out there and plow some snow because they haven't been overworked, and they're ready for the big one, first one.
The SHA Salt Dome in Baltimore County was quiet but stocked full with salt Wednesday night. And in Baltimore City, transportation officials say that they have 11,000 tons of salt and 250 pieces of equipment ready to go. They plan to meet and come up with an activation plan early Friday morning.
And I would advise people to not overreact yet, but to get prepared. Go out and start doing your shopping and get ready before the crowds come in, because we're definitely going to have some type of a serious snowstorm.
All right, so you want to pay attention. You can get the latest forecast updates and track the storm as it comes with the WBAL TV mobile app. Download it for free in the App Store and on Google Play. Reporting live in North Baltimore tonight, Kyrie, WBAL TV 11 News.
All right, Kai, thanks so much. And you can be certain that plenty of schools and organizations will be canceling events throughout the weekend. University of Maryland already sent a letter to students at College Park stating the campus will be closed Friday through Sunday. Anyone currently enrolled in the winter session and scheduled to take a final on Friday will hear from their professor on what to do. The spring semester starts on Monday. And several airlines are also preparing for the possibility of delays and cancellations this weekend because of the snowstorm. American, Southwest, and Delta are already issuing travel waivers to customers. Each airline is handling the situation a little differently, so if you are concerned about a specific flight, I would suggest call the airline.